Let's solve this Olympiad mathematics. 1 over b plus 1 over a, we are adding 1 over a plus 1 over b equals to 1 over 13. We are to find a plus b. Okay, to do this, we do the normal addition of fraction first. So we are going to have 1 over a plus 1 over b equals to 1 over 13. So we find the LCM of A and B, and that gives us AB. AB divided by A, that's B. B times 1, that's B. Plus AB divided by B, that's A. A times 1, that's A. Equals to 1 over 13. Okay. The next thing we are going to do now is to cross multiply. So 13 times this, so we are going to have 1 times this. Okay, so it gives us 1 times AB, that's AB, equals to 13 times the whole of this, that's 13 into B minus A. We can try and rearrange it, doesn't matter. So we can have AB equals to AB equals to 13B plus 13 times A, that's 13A. So this is what we are going to have. Then let's move all of these at the right hand side to this side. You know, when we move them to the other side, their signs will change. This plus will turn to minus. So we become AB minus 13A minus 13B equals to 0. You know, when we move everything here to the left hand side, we are left with nothing, so it is 0. Okay, so the next thing we have to do here is to factorize, but this can be factorized completely because it's not a complete rectangle. So let's use complete rectangle method. Okay, the method, for example, says we have xy minus zx minus zy equals 0, which is incomplete. So what we do is the coefficient of x here and the coefficient of y here, we multiply them together, then we add it to both sides, this side and this side. So it becomes xy minus zx minus zy. The coefficient of y here is minus z, the coefficient of x here is minus z. So minus z times minus z, that gives us plus z square. So we add it to both sides. Plus z square equal to 0 plus z square, that gives us z square. So we apply the same method now into this. So it becomes AB equals to, okay, AB minus 13A minus 13B, then minus 13 times minus 13, that gives us plus 169. So we add it to both sides. Then we add 0 plus 169, we also have 169. Okay, so this will now be, can easily factorize them now. What is common in between them is A. So AB divided by A, that's B, minus 13A divided by A, that's 13. You close your bracket, something is common here too, which is minus 13. Minus 13 divided by minus 13B divided by minus 13, that's B. Okay, 169 divided by minus 13, that gives us minus 13. equals to, we can write this as 1 times 169. So what next, okay, is, let's bring them out. 1 minus 13, a minus 13, then b minus 13 to be equals to 1 times 169. So we can compare the two factors now. A minus 13 equals to 1, okay, then that gives us a to be equal to, we bring this to the side, the minus become plus, okay, then we have what, 1 plus 13. So our a is equal to 14. Okay, now we move to the second factor, which is b minus 13 is equal to 169. So which means b equals to 169 plus 13. So if we add 169 and 13 together, we are going to have 182. Okay, now but recall the question says we should find a plus b. So to find a plus b, what are we going to do? Just say a plus b is the same thing as a is 14 plus then b is 182. So if we add the two together, we have 114, 196. That's the final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.